Hello all, welcome back to C Simplified. My name is Satvik and in today's video we are gonna create a BMI calculator.
Without wasting any time, let's begin. First open Programmist or any other C# online compiler. Now let's start writing the code. First we are gonna change the class from Hello World to BMI Calculator because we are gonna create a BMI calculator. Now we are gonna write console.writeLine. Welcome to the BMI calculator. Because we will greet the user and get ready to show them the two options which are going to be metric or imperial. Now we are going to write the code for giving the users option. So first you're going to write console.writeLine. Choose the measurement system. Console.writeLine. So this is the part which gives the users two options. They can either type 1 for metric or type 2 for pounds or imperial units. So we store the variables inside the choice variable. So now we will create it. First we are going to write console.write, enter your choice, 1 or 2. So we store the answers inside the choice box and now we will use a switch to decide what happens next. So first we are going to write this is where the switch does all the work. If the user types 1, we go to the metric case. Here. We ask the weight in kilograms and height. then calculate the BMI using weight divided by height times height. If the user picks 2, we go to the imperial case. Here, we find the weight in pounds and the height in inches. Then we calculate the BMI using the formula. BMI equals to 703 times weight divided by height times height. The number 703 just adjusts the formula to match pounds and inches. If they type anything else, the default case run. It shows the error sign and exits the program. Now we have to print the result. So for doing that, I'm gonna write console.writeLine. If you don't know what $sign is, I recommend you to click that I button. It will take you to the last video. Now F2 is something which does convert the decimal points to 2 decimal points. So the result would be printed using F2 to round it to 2 decimal places. That makes it look neat and professional. So like the BMI zone would be 22.34. Now this is the first part done. This is the part of recalculating the BMI. So if I take my choice as 1 and I keep my weight as, for example, 60 and my height as meters, so 1.21. So it calculates the BMI is 40. This was just an example, it's not true. Yeah. So now I'm gonna use if and else to create the BMI category. So you might know that if the BMI is less than 18.5, the category is underweight. If it's less than 25, it's normal weight. If it's less than 30, it's overweight. Or else it's obese. So we are gonna create that. First I'm gonna if BMI is And that's it. You have just created a BMI calculator in C# using switch statements. You learned how to let users choose between metric and imperial units, perform maths with formulas, and apply conditional logic to print results. In next video, we will make something interactive and fun. A typing speed test that checks how fast you can type using C#. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your BMI category. See you in the next one. Until then, goodbye. This is an example of how it works. Thank you for watching.